4 ways to get commercial cleaning contracts. On this video, I'm going to show you 4 different systems that you guys can use right away so you can start generating commercial cleaning contracts. By the end of this video, I'm going to tell you exactly all the systems me and my clients have used to generate millions of dollars worth of recurring commercial accounts. If this is your first time here, my name is Rick Brown and I built 2 commercial cleaning businesses, and I have been helping other people grow their own business since 2019. And I'm going to show you how to get the smaller contracts and the big high ticket contracts. And we only focus on recurring commercial accounts. We're not going to worry about residentials, move outs, post-construction cleans, or one-time cleans. We're only going to focus on recurring commercial contracts, because when we focus on the recurring contracts, that's when we can build a portfolio of recurring clients and we stack them up so we have many clients paying every month. And that's how you grow a 7-figure commercial cleaning business. And the first method you are going to get commercial cleaning contracts is going to be through outbound. Outbound means that we're going to reach out to businesses, introduce our services, build relationships, and see if they're looking to get a cleaning estimate, or if they're not interested, we can at least stay in communication with them so they can hire us in the future. So first, we're going to be cold calling businesses, and we like to use virtual assistants to do the cold calling because it's cheap labor and we don't have to do it ourselves. And by hiring cheap labor, we're able to do thousands of phone calls every single week. The second way we're going to generate leads is going to be email marketing. So we're going to send 500 or 1,000 emails every day to business owners, and we're going to put them through an email sequence. Basically, we're going to email them, see if they're open to an estimate, explain more about our business, how we're different, and we want to put them on a sequence. So we're emailing business owners in our city, and our goal is to set up a walkthrough. And the other thing we want to do is going to be doing direct mail marketing. So we only want to focus on the bigger accounts because it's more expensive to do higher volumes versus the emailing and the cold calling. It's very cheap and we can do thousands and thousands of people. But with email marketing, we need to be a lot more strategic, and we're going to customize a different letter for different industries. Let's say if we're targeting medical facilities, we're going to write a letter explaining why we specialize in medical cleaning, our sanitation practices, and we also want to attach a gift. A good gift that we like to send out is going to be the initial deep clean is going to be on us for clients that sign up for a recurring service. And we're also going to include the sanitation services included in the cleaning. And you can apply the same principle for the calling and emailing. You can basically create a specific script based on the industry you want to target. And for the outbound, there's going to be 2 kinds of leads. There's going to be all companies. So we're going to scrape schools, daycares, clinics, medical facilities, movie theaters, car dealership, property managers, and we're going to reach out to all of them. And then we're going to have another list, which is going to be the high ticket clients. We're going to use softwares to scrape these leads. But for the high ticket ones, we need to have filters in place so we can double down on the high ticket clients. Some of the filters I like to use is going to be how many employees they have. So companies that have 50 to 5,000 employees means that they're a bigger company. If they're a bigger company, they most likely have a big location. A big location means that they need lots of cleaning. Basically, it's going to be many hours, 5-7 days a week. Basically means it's going to be a big contract. Another filter I like to use is revenue. So companies that make 5 to 100 million per year. Another filter we like to use is the square footage of their facility. So facilities that have over 10,000 square feet basically means more cleaning and overall a bigger contract. So we're going to have 2 campaigns running, the high ticket ones and all companies. We're going to double down on the high ticket ones, and we're also going to focus on all other companies. The reason why we like to take this approach is beginners sometimes need momentum. If you get a $1,000, $1,500 a month contract, it's good to build that momentum so then you have the capacity to handle the bigger contracts, 5, 10, 15, 20K a month contracts. But only focusing on the super high contracts as a beginner is a stupid mistake. It sounds very appealing, like a dream outcome, but in reality, if you have no experience, no brand for your business, if you don't have the reviews, the branding online, then how is a big corporation gonna trust you? And that leaves me to the most important thing that you gotta do before you even focus on getting leads, and that is gonna be the brand of your business. See, when I help a brand new beginner, we need to make a really good website. And a website doesn't mean have a page. We need to communicate with the client why we're the better company. We need to show our hiring process, the eco-friendly products, other clients we service, the certifications we have. Another thing you need to stand out is a really good proposal, a 10 to 30 page proposal, and then a presentation about your company. And you also want to appear established online. So when someone Googles your LinkedIn, your Facebook page, your Yelp, your Bing My Places, all of that. So when you meet with potential customers and they Google you, you appear like an established company. The second way you're gonna generate contracts is gonna be direct marketing. So what you wanna do, you wanna do Google ads, Bing ads. So when someone in your city Google's looking for commercial cleaning companies, janitorial services, you appear right in front of them. They click on your website, they like what they see, and they request a quote. That's going to be the second method you're going to get commercial contracts. But this has to be done very strategic because you need to understand that most people searching for cleaning services, they're looking for residential cleaning, move-out cleaning, barbecue cleaning, pet cleaning, car cleaning. So we need to have hundreds of negative keywords so we don't waste our money on poor leads. We only want to focus on offices, medical facilities, movie theaters, car dealerships, gyms, logistic warehouses, big corporate offices, insurance companies, schools. So this has to be set up very strategically. And if you have any experience with Google Ads and you're trying to do it right now, I recommend having hundreds of negative keywords and apply filters. Like we only show the ads to people in computers. We only run the ads during office hours, Monday to Friday, 9 to 5 p.m. We only run the ads in specific pockets in the city. Basically, we only want to run the ads in commercial areas. Like if you open up Google Maps, wherever you see concrete is a commercial area. We don't want to run the ads in a residential area. And now the third way we're going to generate commercial cleaning contracts is going to be discovery marketing. Basically, we want to run meta ads, which is Facebook. We want to create an ad creative, like a video or maybe a picture about your commercial cleaning services. Make sure to mention your city in the ad creative and the description. And what you want to do, you want to show this ad to business owners and business professionals in your city. And another thing we want to do, we want to attach our Facebook pixel in our website so we can retarget website visitors. So if someone Googles your company and they don't request a quote, they just leave your website, and then later on the same day, they're going to go on Facebook and they're going to see your ad. You can also do this with LinkedIn. So on LinkedIn, you can retarget website visitors and you can also send messages to decision makers in your city with a specific company size. So if you wanted to target all CEOs, all office managers in your city or maintenance managers in your city, and you can also apply a filter when you're targeting these people, like companies that have 10 to 5,000 employees in a certain city, you can apply these filters. So you only show your ads to the right people. And to summarize it, discovery marketing basically means we're gonna show our ads to a bunch of people and hope someone responds. And direct marketing is basically showing our ads to people who are looking for our services. And outbound means that we're reaching out to companies and we're building long-term connections so people can hire us when they need us. Remember, there's so many companies around your city right now that are getting a poor cleaning service and they're eager to change their cleaning provider. And if you come across that person, that company, they'll be happy to change their cleaning provider so they can get a really good cleaning quality. But just remember, make sure your branding is on point. Make sure you appear very professional so you can actually appear like the best cleaning company in your city. Ask yourself, how can I be one of the best cleaning companies in my city? And the fourth way you're going to get commercial cleaning contracts is going to be sales. I'm talking about either you or you hire someone to do door-to-door sales. Basically, you want to go business to business, have your business card, your brochure, and you want to basically do walkthroughs on the spot or try to see who's doing the cleaning and if they need a cleaning provider. If they're not interested, you can still do a walkthrough in the spot and give them an estimate, or you can at least get their email so you can follow up with them later on. Make sure to leave your business card, your flyer, your brochure, so if they ever need your services, they can call you. Because they might have a cleaning company right now and they may be happy with their cleaning provider, but maybe 3 months, 6 months down the line, they might not be happy with their cleaning quality. So they can call you and hire your company. This is why it's very important to introduce your company, your services, build relationships. So as soon as something happens, they can call you. And another way you're gonna get commercial cleaning contracts is gonna be through your online presence. See, when you start optimizing your Google Maps, your Yelp, your Bing My Places, you start adding reviews over time, you start adding pictures and videos of your employees, you're gonna start ranking higher and higher organically. And that's gonna get you free cleaning contracts over time. But we cannot depend on our social presence. That's why we gotta do outbound, sales, direct, and discovery marketing. And remember, if you do nothing, nothing happens. You need to apply effort to get the results. The harder you work, the more opportunity you're gonna get. And guys, thank you so much for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and remember, if you want your commercial cleaning business fully built out for you, whether you're established or a complete beginner, I can help you grow a 7-figure business one-on-one. Me and my team will build out the entire brand for you so you can actually appear like an expert. We're not talking about a rookie brand like a generic website, generic proposal. No, we'll build your entire brand so you can actually win contracts against national franchises. And then I'll show you how to generate your own leads, or we can get the leads all done for you. And I'll show you how to hire, and we can hire cleaners and train them all for you. Basically, we'll build out your entire commercial cleaning business, and you get to be mentored directly by me one-on-one, not some junior coach. This is not group coaching. This is not a course. We will work together so you can grow a 7-figure commercial cleaning business. If you're interested, the link will be in the description, or go to cleanlaunch.com. And if you're brand new to the business, I recommend checking out every YouTube video I have. You're gonna get tons of free value. So click on my channel and start watching all my YouTube videos. I promise you, you're gonna learn a lot about this industry. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.